Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue autocall recording not working. Let me open this Samsung phone app. Tap on this icon. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on settings. Then tap on record calls. First I am going to enable autocall recording. Here you can see right now this option autocall recording has been disabled. That is the reason autocall recording is not working. Let me enable. Tap here. Done. Then tap on this auto record calls label. Here you can see four options. Record all calls. If you want to record all calls, you can select this first option. Calls with unserved numbers. If you want to record calls from only the unserved numbers, you can use the second option. Calls with specific numbers. If you want to record calls only from specific numbers, you can use this third option. Those specific numbers you can specify here. Tap here, numbers to auto record. Here you can enter that specific number, or you can select one number from the contacts. Go back. Then the last option, all calls except specific numbers. Select this option. So you can skip some numbers. Those numbers you can specify here. Tap here, numbers not to record. Here you can enter the number that you need to skip. You can also select number from the contacts. Go back. So let me select this first option, all calls. So it will record calls from all numbers. Go back. Then if you want to get the notification after recording, enable this option. If you want to see all recorded calls, tap here, recorded calls. Here you would be able to see all recorded calls. From here you can tap and play. Go back. Tap on storage location. Here you can change storage location, internal storage or SD card. Tap on delete recording older than 1 month. From here you can delete old recordings. Here it shows over 1 month old, 4 recordings are there. Tap on delete, that way we can delete these 4 old recordings. Let me cancel this. This way we can fix that issue. Ensure that this option auto record calls has been enabled, and ensure that this first option has been selected, all calls. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.